Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making strawberry iced tea. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of very hot water, 1 cup of cold water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 black tea bags, and 1 cup of strawberries. You want to wash them and cut them into half. Okay, you want to get a cup and put your 2 tea bags in, and we're going to pour our hot water in. And we're going to let that steep for 5 minutes. So you want to go ahead and just cover it up and let it sit. After 5 minutes, you can uncover it, and we're going to go ahead and remove our tea bags. You can take a spoon and press against them to get the remaining tea out. Now you can either let your tea sit on your countertop to cool off, or you can put it in your fridge. You want it to cool completely. Okay, next you want to get your food processor, or you can use a blender, and we're going to add our strawberries in. Now you want to blend your strawberries until they're nice and smooth. Now we're going to add our cup of water to our strawberry. And we're just going to mix until well combined. Now we're going to take our strawberry mixture and we're going to pass it through a sieve so it can catch any seeds, and it'll be even more smoother. All you want to do is take a spoon and just press down on it to get all the juice out. Okay guys, here's your strawberry juice. There's no seeds or anything in it. It's nice and smooth. So we're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix until well combined. Now we're going to go ahead and pour our brewed tea into our strawberry mixture, and you want to mix it until it's well combined. You guys can give it a taste. If you need it sweeter, you can add some more honey to it. Now you want to get your glasses with your ice. I'm going to go ahead and pour our strawberry iced tea in. Okay guys, so here we have it, our homemade strawberry iced tea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.